2 Peter 1:3. It says, His divine power has given to us all things that pertain to life and godliness. So when Paul says, you don't belong to yourself even, you're not your own, you belong to God, you are the temple of the Holy Spirit, he says, you've got divine power. How awesome is that? Divine power. Power to overcome sin in your life. He goes on to say, He has given us exceedingly great and precious promises. That's verse 4. That through these you may be partakers of the divine nature, having escaped the corruption that's in the world through lust. So we have the nature of God. We have divine power. That's phenomenal when you think of the implications of that. Should we have the ability to overcome sin? Should we have the ability to succeed spiritually? Should we be able to grow in grace and knowledge? Yeah, we've got the divine nature in us.